Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to make glitter backgrounds with MidJourney AI. I know you might be thinking, why should I care about this? The truth is that you can make decent money with it. Glitter backgrounds are evergreen products that people love to use in their designs, and they can also be sold as physical products. How, you ask? It's simple. If you go to Etsy and search glitter, you will see a ton of backgrounds that other people are selling. This means that you can create a bunch of these designs, bundle them, and sell them as digital files on a website like Etsy. You can also sell on your own website if you have the marketing power. Another way to make money with glitter backgrounds is to upload them to stock image websites like Adobe. The most important way that people use glitter backgrounds is to use them as designs for their print-on-demand product. You can sell glitter backgrounds on Tumblr, you can sell them on t-shirts and even socks, depending on how you want to brand your business. So now that you understand that, let's get started on how to make this beautiful glitter background. The first thing you need to do is to log into your MidJourney account. As of today, you can use MidJourney website or Discord to create these images. But for this tutorial, I will be using the Discord server. I'm also using a private server and not the public one on the official MidJourney server. So let's get started. The first prompt format is one simple sentence, while the other uses the tile parameter. I will show you what I'm talking about when we get started. So the first glitter background we'll be creating is rose gold glitter seamless pattern. And that's it. Press enter. Wait a minute for the image to generate. And here is the result. As we can see, this is a typical glitter background that you find on the internet. You can see a little bit of textures on these images on top, but they are pretty good and perfect. You don't need to do any editing to these images. You can bundle them and sell them as is. Now let's try the second prompt format. It goes rose gold, comma, glitter, comma, seamless pattern, comma, then the tile function, which is dash dash tile. By doing it this way, we are changing how we speak to MidJourney and giving these words some priority. So the results will be different. Let's see now. This shows that by reformatting your prompts, you can get different results with AI. So these are the two basic prompt formats. Now let's look at different kind of glitter backgrounds that you can create with MidJourney AI. The first type of glitter background we'll be looking at is two colors glitter patterns. So let's type in baby blue and gold glitter seamless pattern. And then for the second format, we'll add the commas and the tile parameter. And here is the result. This is the first result without the tile parameter. And as you can see, there is not much glitter in most of the results. But this one over here, the third one, it has the glitter wave pattern. As you can see, when we add the tile parameter, the result is very different. The patterns are more pronounced and there is way more glitter. I absolutely love this fourth image here. There is more glitter on this first one. So depending on what you are creating or what kind of business you want to build, you can decide what prompt format will work for you. The next type of glitter background we'll be creating is called rainbow glitter seamless pattern. Let's create it now. And here are the results for the first format and the result for the second format. The second format has more of a childish feel to it compared to the first one. I think I prefer the first format, especially this image here, the third image over here. It really looks good. The next type of glitter backgrounds is known as holographic glitter patterns. So let me show you what I mean. Put in the prompt, and here is the result. As you can see, when you use the word holographic, you tend to have purple undertones. As you can see from all the images, they all have a bit of purple in them. I really like this third design. It may not be suitable for you because you can't sell this as the texture, but all the other three designs work really well. Let's look at the second format. Here you go. The patterns are completely different and they are so unique. As you can see, both prompts gave a very unique pattern design depending on what you're trying to sell. You can sell both for your website, but if you want to sell texture specifically, then the first prompt format is better. So let's move on to the next type of glitter background. Ombre. Ombre actually refers to multiple colors, but they are not mixed together. So let me show you what I mean. In this first example, you can see that when I use pink and purple, the colors are all mixed together. So let me use them with ombre. Here is the result of the first format. And as you can see, the colors are separated. Even though some of them are mixed, you can still see the ombre coming through. Then let's look at the second prompt format. There you go. And as you can see here, the pink and the purple are separate. This is what it means to have ombre. So you can use 2 colors or 3 colors in your prompt, but if you want them to be separate like this, you can just say ombre. Ombre separates the colors. The next type of glitter background is known as sequence. I'm sure you must have heard of sequence fabric. You can also use it to make glitter background. Let me show you what I mean. Here is the result for the first prompt format. As you can see, it didn't work quite well because sequence refers to an actual fabric and not just a digital pattern. But the first image and the fourth image, those are sequence. As you can see, sequence have like tiny circles in different shades of the same color. That's how sequence are usually made. The first image and the fourth image works really well. Let's try it with the second prompt format. No, it doesn't work. The design didn't come out well. Even though I like the pattern of the first image, this is not what a sequence glitter image should look like. But this is still a cool pattern if you want to sell it for something else. If you are trying to go for a sequence glitter pattern, this wouldn't work. You can't sell this as a glitter pattern. This is more of an image than a digital pattern. The next glitter background we'll be looking at is bokeh. Bokeh usually refers to light, a distribution of light in an image. We are going to combine it with the word glitter to create something unique. Let me show you the results. There you go. For the first prompt format, all the images came out pretty well. You can see the light in the background mixing with the sparkle and the glitter, create a very unique pattern. Now let's look at the second result. Here you go. I think the second one came out better for bokeh images. As you can see, there is more sparkle, there is more light in this one. I love it. While those are the major types of glitter backgrounds that you can make, I want to add a bonus type known as sandpaper textures. Let me show you. I will change the prompt a little bit here just to give you an idea of what I'm creating. It's going to say black glitter sandpaper texture. A little bit of change, but the same format. So here is the result. You can see very beautiful background. The best part of this is that you don't have to do any editing or spend time trying to correct any AI errors. This comes out perfect. You can just download these, upscale them, and put them online to sell. Pretty easy. Now let me show you another result. The same sandpaper type, the same text format, and here is the result with gold this time. If you're using color, you can see the sandpaper texture, especially in this second image. It really shows here. You can sell this as images, but if you want to sell it as background textures, I think the second one is the best. So those are the many different types of glitter backgrounds that you can create with MidJourney AI. If you are very creative, you can mix and match the different colors to create something really unique. I have seen where people use this design to create beautiful print-on-demand products. But if you just want to do something basic, you can as well try to open a shop where you sell digital backgrounds. They work really well. If you want to know more about how you can use these glitter backgrounds, please follow my channel because I intend to make more videos in the future exploring specific use case of such glitter backgrounds. So that's it from me, guys. If you like this video, please comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.